communicate. Suppose a doctor comes, you say all your complaints, he say yes. He writes a paper and just gives to you. Will you like the doctor? So you want a doctor who comes, who talks with, okay, whatever thing he talks with you, you find so he must be a communicator. Suppose he has a disease which has to be taken care. So then he has to talk to them. So he is not only a clinician, he is a communicator. Then a leader who saw a skit where the doctor, she led a team. There was some people, some nurses were there, some people to help them out. So it's a teamwork, and doctor is a part of the team, and she is a team leader. In this crowd, how many of you want to become doctors?
Sir, we will work. Jeremy Thomas, sir.
Dr. Jeremy. Good.
Yes, sir. I want to become a doctor to save lives, and I will not even ask a single money if they don't have money.
Very good.
I will work as hard as I can, 24/7. Even if it's my birthday or any special day, I will work and not take any leave, so that people could stay safe and sound, so they will have some lives and the future generation.
Excellent. Very good. Welcome you all to the Inner Valley Medical College. So I expect a lot of crowds from Muthamil Public Schools. We are there to welcome you and teach you the art of medicine. Thank you so much.
What is your first medical success story?
Success story to say there are many, but few I can remember now. So it was a Sunday, the child was a diarrhea child which was dehydrated, nobody could get a ID line. So the child visited many hospitals and they came to our hospital. So I rushed in, I tried to get access, I couldn't get. So we put when you don't get IV line, so what we do is we drill the bone and put a needle inside the bone and we push through it. So I was preparing and we put it in the leg. So while doing so, the child went into arrest. Arrest in the sense cardiac arrest. The child did not have any heartbeat or breathing. So access could be done immediately. So immediately put the needle, pushed saline and pushed adrenaline, and I moved to the outside, gave chest compression and artificial breathing, vacuum mask. The child survived. That child also is doing well. There are plenty of babies, I would say, that are not less than 1 kg. They are all hallmark of our Muthamil hospital.